Hey guys, I just put all the compost that I made, and I don't know if you can see all the little rushes, you know, the palmetto rush or whatever. But look at the lizards; they are having a party. I don't know if you can see her right there. She is waiting. There is another one right here. There's like so many of them just eating as we speak. Look at this one right here. She's just waiting for the right moment. You see her right there? She's like, okay. What am I gonna get? Look at that one right there. She is eating. See her? So that's what you do. You take care of nature, and nature will take care of you. Here is the other one. And she goes with her mouth. And she is having lunch. And more are coming. See it? In the fence. Right there. And here's another one. Over there. And there she goes. There she goes. Boom. I'm trying not to talk too loud because I want you to see in action. He's eating and that's the way it goes. But you see, these ones, those palmetto rushes help you to decompose with the compost, and then the cycle of life. The lizards come and eat them, and that's how it goes. There goes another one. Look how they are in the fence, having a party because they're eating so much. Look at that one over there was one in her mouth. As always, thank you so much for watching, but that comes to show will help you today, help somebody tomorrow, and then they come back and help you. Look at her. Look at them. Have a great day, guys. As always, please like and subscribe, and organic works. Take care of the soil, soil take care of you, and nature surprise you. Always, always. Bye now.